we are going to implement deleting of a post. And we have the API services already in the APIs post, and we have the delete and then the update, which is this one here. So we are going to use them. So let's locate the dashboard component for the post, and that is post, supposed to be users, and then dashboard post. So here, let's bring in the mutation. I will say delete mutation, and use mutation, and then as always, mutation key delete dash post, then mutation function as delete post, unless I resave this, and now it will work. Delete post API, and for this we will need the ID of the post. Perfect. So here I will say const delete post mutation, and here as handle delete post, const handle delete post, and then pass in the post ID, and then delete post mutation dot mutate async, then pass in the post ID dot then, because I want to refresh the post after it has been deleted, or I can redirect after deleting. So here I will say error, and then let's log the error here as that E for short. Let's call it in the handler here for the deleting. Now let me bring it back, and this is the icon for trashing or deleting. So here let me provide handle delete post, and then pass in the ID of the post. This one is for the update. Don't worry, we'll work on that one also. Now moment of truth. If I click on this, and if I refresh, now it is gone, but I don't want to refresh the page before seeing that. So I have to call refresh here, or bring in the refresh, and then in the async here for the then, we are going to refresh the profile as refresh. Now let's see if I click on this. Now it worked. Perfect.